Hey guys, we're on day 2 of this virtual stuff. I'm putting all the instructions in here so that you will watch the video. I'm not putting anything in Google Classroom. So if you hear anything, your instructions are in here. Okay, so don't message me saying, I don't know what to do. It's in this video. Okay, I want to tell you a couple things. Obviously, there are 125 of you in this class or this section of physical science, and I can't shout out everybody, but I looked at 3 or 4 this morning, and some of you are really doing the right thing. So like Jake, Kendall, and Leah, I think are the ones that I looked at this morning so far. I'll grade the rest of y'all's today, but y'all did an awesome job. So what they did right here on slide 3, there was a video, and it went through how to do all of slide 4 and all of slide 5. They had perfect answers in those. That is how you do it. So great job. Okay, so yesterday we watched slide 3 and it went over how we do slide 4 and 5. Today we are going to do a few more. So slide 6, this is exactly like what you did right here. So we have, on our left side of the equation, we have reactants, and the reactants react together like you're stirring them in a beaker and produce a product. This little arrow just means yields. That means to produce, okay? And then we're talking about balancing a chemical equation. So what I want you to do is play this little sound. But this is a very important concept. It's the law of conservation of mass. It says that all mass is neither, just like energy, you know what this means, created nor destroyed. That means if you eat a banana, all of the banana is used in you. It's not lost, okay? So one way we can illustrate this is show the law through the balancing of chemical equations. The whole point is to make sure the number of atoms of each type of element are equal on the on the reactant and the product side, okay? So like, look at this one. You have an apple, you cut it up. Same thing, law of conservation of mass. Mass is here, same mass here. But if you eat the apple and it goes away, there's not the same amount. So we need to be sure that our reactants, milk plus chocolate, gives you chocolate milk, okay? It's a very simple equation like you would do in elementary school where you would do 5 plus 6 equals blank. 5 plus blank. So your stuff on the left side of the equation has to equal the stuff on the right side. So right here, 100 grams of ice cubes, 100 grams of water. 157, 8, 9, 160 grams of stuff equals the same amount of pancake batter. So right here, 263 on this side would equal 263 on that side. 198 on that side we would say, okay, what do I have to add to that to get right here? So 394 minus 198, and you do that and put it in. So 394 minus 198 equals what? Now, don't forget I put the answer key on Google Classroom. The answer key is there. Same thing from the assignment from yesterday. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I want you to work on this. Okay, now this button right here goes through, but let me show you. Right here, you have to do 40 plus blank equals this plus this. Okay, so 78 plus 64, you'd add those two together. Take that number, subtract 40, and you would come out here to the side, and you would type number 2 is what? Now, I'm just going to do this on my phone, so let me look at it. 78, so we're looking right here. 78, I need to know this equals this. 78 plus 64 equals 142. So I'm going to take my total on this side, 142, and subtract my 40, and I get 102. Okay, number 3, whatever's on this side has to equal on this side. So I'm going to take 256 plus 256, and I get 512. So if I've got 512 on that side, got to have 512 on this side. Okay, and we go on to number 4. 100 equals blank plus 68. So just imagine this is an equal sign. 100 equals blank plus 68. So I'd take 100 minus 68, and I'd get 32. So keep going on and do all of these, okay? Now, remember, if you go back to Google Classroom in what I posted yesterday, remember, I have the answer key right here if you want to go check your answers. But y'all keep up the good work. I know this is stressful. A lot of y'all are worried that things that you're doing is going to really impact your grade. I want you to do the work, and if you do the work and it looks right, you will get a good grade for it, okay? So stop stressing. We're all doing this together. Do your work. And by the way, I'm on here from 12 to 1 on Google Meet. So be sure you come on that Google Meet if you have any questions. I can answer them all for you. I just sit here at my computer staring at it if anyone wants to get on. So if you have your phone, you can log on. Anything you want if you want to ask questions, okay? Thanks, guys. Have a good day.